Hi there, everybody, and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. So, today I wanted to discuss selling items. So, a lot of times we recommend during a purge in your house that you get rid of a lot of the items that you have that no longer serve you but might have value to other people. One thing we really encourage is if you have items that are easily shippable, such as clothing, pants, tops, maybe even purses, handbags, and shoes, that you simply list them on eBay, Poshmark, or even Facebook Marketplace if you're comfortable with that. A lot of times these items they maybe aren't good for your wardrobe anymore, but you can actually get quite a bit of money for them on the resale market. So probably not similar to what you paid for it, but at least something. And that way you're making a little bit of money and also creating more space in your own wardrobe for things that you actually do want to buy. Um, so if you haven't tried that yet, definitely reach out if you have any questions on consignment. That's a service we also provide if it's something you don't want to handle. So let us know what you think, and thanks for tuning in for just this week's Just the Tip.